This is our F150, F250, and F350 box. This is for trucks with a 2.5-inch seat lift. This one's been bed liner coated. It's got quick connects on the back. 2 of those, 8-gauge wire on each one. And this box can be cut for 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 8s, 3 8s, or 2 8s, whatever you want. But it's got 3 cubic feet after port displacement, and it's tuned to 33 hertz. Got a 6-inch arrow port. That's a PVC. And you can also run this sealed with a PVC pipe plug. You can put it in the port, block it off, and run this box sealed if you want it for sound quality. But yep, that's it.